In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and reopen your projects in CapCut efficiently, ensuring your work is securely stored and easily accessible whenever you need it. Let's dive right into the process. First, begin by looking at the top menu of your CapCut interface. This menu is your command center, where all the essential functions are housed. Locate the File option, which is usually situated in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on File will drop down a menu with several options. Next, you'll want to select Save Project from the drop-down menu. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl S. This method is particularly handy if you find yourself wanting to save your work frequently, as it speeds up the process by allowing you to keep your hands on the keyboard. Once you've initiated the saving process, a dialog box will pop up, asking you to choose a specific folder where you want to store your project. At this point, it's a good idea to choose a location that is both easily accessible and organized, perhaps a dedicated folder for all your CapCut projects. After selecting your folder, you'll need to give your project a meaningful name. Naming your projects clearly will be beneficial later on, especially if you're working with multiple projects at the same time. With everything in place, CapCut will save all your edits, preserving your progress so you can come back to it whenever you're ready. This feature is particularly useful for large projects or when inspiration strikes at various times. You're always just a few clicks away from continuing where you left off. When you are ready to revisit your project, reopening it is straightforward. Start by launching CapCut, as you would with any other session of video editing. On the CapCut home screen, look again to the top menu for File, and this time select Open Project. This will prompt you to navigate to the folder where you saved your project earlier. Go ahead and select your project file from there, and watch as all your previous edits are loaded, ready for you to pick up right where you left off. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive guide to saving and reopening projects in CapCut. By following these steps, you ensure that your creative work remains safe, organized, and always within easy reach. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting with CapCut, mastering this fundamental process will enhance your efficiency and peace of mind. Happy editing!